guys, my name is Jen and I'm here to talk to you today about a very powerful weight loss supplement called PhenQ PM. So first off, I want to tell you, if you'd please just give me a few minutes of your time. This isn't going to be like an hour-long testimonial like you see online or on TV. This isn't any of that. I just really want to tell you a little bit about my story so you can make a decision for yourself, because this is actually a really phenomenal product and it's different than anything I've ever experienced before. So I'm going to start by telling you a little bit about me. But first off, if at any point you decide you want to buy this product, this supplement, you can use the same link I did when I purchased it. It is in the description box below. It's the PhenQ discount code is also there, it's attached, and you can buy it for the same discount I did and give it a try. So I'm just telling you that up front so you already know. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. So I have struggled with weight loss my whole life. It's been a fluctuation up and down. There's been times I've been really happy with myself, and then times when I'm really full of shame and I just feel terrible and I kind of hide at home and I don't want to go out. I've been a busy working professional my whole life, and just recently I've decided to take a step back from my professional life. I'm still working, of course, but to add on to that, I've decided to go back to school full time. So now I'm like crazy, super busy, and that does not allow me time to get to the gym, to be planning lots of meals in advance and be doing cooking once a week and freezing meals like I should be if I want to be on a strict diet and a regimented diet and that sort of thing. So I found myself trying different supplements to help, and I've had some success. Nothing ever was consistent, nothing ever lasted. Although I was consistent, the products weren't. So when I heard about PhenQ PM, like, I was just overwhelmed. So this was a product, as soon as I heard about it, I'm like, I gotta give it a try. There's no harm in it. It is absolutely healthy. It's full of good nutrients. It is made in the UK and in the US, and it is GMP and FDA certified facilities where this product is made. So it's completely safe for us. It's not going to harm. It's healthy. It's not some random thing you pick up on the internet. This is a legitimate, safe supplement that is going to actually help your body. We are going to show you some pictures in this video so you can see for yourself and see that the results are actually real and it's not just me talking here. So we're going to show you pictures from before I started taking PhenQ PM and then a few months after, and you can see the results. But as a teaser, I'm going to show you where I'm at now. Now, I've been on it for a little while, a little more than 2 months, like quite a bit more than 2 months. But I've continued taking it, and I want to show you my waistline. Like, this is where I'm at, and this is completely thanks to PhenQ PM. So before this, I had no hope. I've worked out. I've done the gym thing. I've done like the supplements and the working out and the 5 a.m. runs. I've done it all, and I never ever had success like this. I never experienced it. I wrote some notes down so I don't like talk you guys ear off for like an hour and a half about garbage that you don't want to hear. Because there is some really important stuff I wanted to tell you. So PhenQ PM, these are the things it does, and there's something really unique that this does that other supplements don't do, and I think this might be part of the key as to why it works so well. So obviously it burns stored fat, it suppresses your appetite, which is key, it blocks fat production, it improves mood and energy levels, and of course it's a super high quality. Here's the deal. This is what makes it so unique. So as soon as you have a product that's burning stored fat and that is reducing your appetite, you're going to have a really quick cut of calories intake. And when that caloric intake drops, that's attached to hormones and chemicals in your brain. You're going to feel a mood drop. It's going to feel much like depression, pardon me. And you're going to feel sadness and hopelessness, and you do get that mood drop. However, PhenQ PM fights this. It's got powerful amino acids that stop mood fluctuations. So you're going to notice that these mood fluctuations, these up and downs and these feelings of hopelessness and just these low feelings that you get because of caloric withdrawal, You're not going to experience that when you're taking PhenQ PM, because it totally plans ahead for that. It's included in there, and the mood increase, the mood increase and the energy boost is something you're going to experience immediately. The weight loss is going to take a little bit of time. And when you see my photos, actually, like they're going to probably stick them up on the screen any minute now. You'll see my photos from before and after. After a few months, there is weight loss difference. Like, you see it. There's weight loss difference already. I felt better after a few months. I felt like I weighed less. I felt lighter on my feet. I felt like I was better in my skin. Like I was back to myself. You know what I mean? Like I wasn't ashamed of my body anymore. Like it was starting to take on. It wasn't just like in my mind. Like I could see the difference in my weight, in my body. And it felt so good. It was such a relief. But day one, I felt the energy boost and the mood improvement. So that was something that was an immediate positive result that I'll never forget, because I expected to wait weeks for results. And I waited one day to start feeling that difference. And that was a huge thing, because that mood balance and that positive boost of energy is what gave me the motivation to stick with it and to keep taking this PhenQ PM every day, and to have trust and faith in the product and just keep going as I was going, and know that I was going to get the results that I was hoping for. So if you see the pictures right on the screen, you can see those are photos from right before I started PhenQ PM, and I look like a different person. And then there's photos from a few months after. And although I'm not at my waistline that I'm at now, I am significantly thinner than I was prior to starting the PhenQ PM. Like you can see the difference. Like you can see the difference, and you can see it for yourself. So that's what I really wanted to show you guys. Now, I don't want you guys to forget, the same discount code I used is right below in the description box. And if you want to purchase the PhenQ PM with the discount code, please go down to that description box and just click on the link, and you can pick it up the same way I did and get started on it right away and start seeing some results. So please do that. You're not going to be sorry. The other thing is there is a, what's it called? I wrote this down because I always forget this word. Along with the discount code, there's also a money back guarantee. That's right. So if you're not happy with the PhenQ PM program, there is a money back guarantee, but you're not going to need it. You're not going to use it. Like, the stuff is phenomenal. It makes you feel better. It makes you look better. It makes everybody else notice the difference. I've received compliments everywhere I go, from coworkers to other, to management at my work have noticed, teachers and profs at my school, other students, like everybody has noticed the difference in me, and they're like, what are you doing? What are you doing? And I tell them all, like, I'm not doing much. I'm active. Like, I walk wherever I can. I do whatever I can physically, but I don't go to the gym. I don't go for runs anymore. I don't have time. I'm exhausted. I go to work in the day, and then I'm up studying all night, and I'm sometimes in classes at night. So I don't have time for any of that. I eat healthy, but it's not an obsession. I still order out here and there. I eat a balanced, well-rounded diet, I would say, is what I eat. And I drink lots of water, which is always positive. It's always going to be helpful. It cleans your liver. It improves your kidney function. It increases your metabolism. That all helps with any supplements that you're taking. And anytime you want to lose weight, that's always going to help. So I do that. And I take my PhenQ PM every day. And guys, it's changed my life absolutely. So I know everybody else notices it. They think I look good. I feel like I look good. I'm confident. I love my waistline. It has improved my relationships. It's improved my social ability. Like, I'm not uncomfortable going out anymore. Like, New Year's, I was excited to get dressed up and go out because I could wear something that I felt was attractive and beautiful, and I felt like I could wear it and I could wear it well. It wasn't like a dress wearing me. It was like I wore the dress and I felt really beautiful in it. And that was thanks to the weight loss that I've undergone. So guys, that's about it. I don't want to keep you here all night. Take time to stop and feel the energy that you're gaining. Feel the positive feelings of knowing that success is coming your way. Like, this is going to be a new year for you, and a lot of changes are going to happen because you're going to feel fabulous. and have confidence and just, you know, really enjoy it, because you're really going to be surprised with the results. And that's all I wanted to say today, guys. So that's all. Good luck, and I know you'll do it. You'll do fantastic. You just got to take that leap and give it a shot, give it a try. Hit that link below and go for it. You'll be on your way. I will see you soon, guys.